Good day. It's a pleasure to be back here in Blue Elephant in your factory. So we are from Raguos Construction Corporation from the Philippines. We purchased 2 units CNC and 1 unit of drilling machine. So we come back to witness and have a training with your engineer, and it's very productive day. We just give them time, but it's all good. The machine are running good. Then we are excited to use the machine. So much satisfied and excited. We purchased another machine, the edge banding machine model Z450 SE. Hopefully we will be having more machine in the future and more projects, business doing the bank. It's a pleasure doing business with you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Very good.
And your team. Thank you.
Very nice.
Very nice.
Perfect.
Thank you.